Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the Awesome Oscillator with the Ultimate Oscillator. All right, we want to find out which of these indicators give better trading results. All right, so let us start by adding both indicators to the chart. Okay. So the Awesome Oscillator and the Ultimate Oscillator are both momentum indicators used to analyze market trends, okay? But they measure momentum using different methods. As you will notice, the Awesome Oscillator is based on, the difference between two simple moving averages calculated from the median price. All right, you can actually go edit the settings, according to your taste. Okay, of course, each of these indicators you can go modify the inputs, right? So the Awesome Oscillator obviously is displayed as histogram that moves above and below a central zero line, as you can see here. Okay, when the histogram bars are above the zero line, it suggests bullish momentum, especially when the color is green. All right, the red colors above the zero line might indicate pullback. Okay, and then when the histogram bars are below the zero level, it shows bearish momentum. Okay, traders often watch for the changes in the histogram color as well, the zero line crossovers or specific patterns that signal shifts in momentum. Then the ultimate oscillator uses a different approach by combining three different time frames into one momentum calculation. So this multi-time frame method was designed to reduce false signals that can occur when indicators rely on a single time frame. All right, so you can see the three different lengths: the fast length, middle length, slow length. Actually, you can modify this, depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. All right. Because of this structure, the ultimate oscillator often produces smoother signals compared to some faster oscillators. All right. So the main difference between these two indicators is that the Awesome Oscillator focuses on short-term momentum changes, while the Ultimate Oscillator attempts to provide a more balanced momentum reading across multiple time frames. So both indicators aim to help traders analyze momentum and identify potential shifts in market direction. Okay, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.